Hey guys, it's Des with T-Mobile, and today we're exploring the metaverse with the new Meta Quest 2, which is now available from T-Mobile. So yes, we're in our T-Studios space, filming in 360, so you can watch this unboxing video on your Meta Quest 2 in VR. You'll be able to look all around. You'll be able to see people peeking in and out of our curtains over there. You'll be able to see our color background. You'll be able to see our LED wall, which is showing off just some of the really cool experiences you can have with the Meta Quest 2. Now, the Meta Quest 2 works great with our T-Mobile home internet router, and of course, you'll be setting it up with your T-Mobile smartphone. So let's dive inside the box and check out what's inside. All right, I'll move that like that. If you guys want to look at the box details, they're going to be over there for you. And without further ado, inside the box, ta-da! And look at that, just 1, 2, 3 quick steps to get you started. Of course, you've got your touch controllers. And, oh, there's all kinds of stuff right here. The Meta Quest 2 headset, little silicone cover right there. And what is that? Oh yeah, little eyeglasses spacer. Check that out. We'll put that guy way over there. And then inside this box, you've got your, well, I bet this is terms and conditions. Terms and conditions, just like that. And charging cable and wall adapter. We'll put him, let's see if he'll sit over there. Yeah, look at that. So that's it for terms and conditions. Now, a quick tour of the headset. So, take that off. And of course, your head straps, you can see right there, that is where your speakers exist on the straps. You've got cameras on the front, lenses inside, power buttons right over here on the right hand side, and volume buttons down underneath. Now, over here, under this sticker, let's pull that guy off. Okay. You've got your USB-C charging port and a 3.5 millimeter headset jack if you want to plug in your favorite set of headphones. And then check it out. Put it on, power it on, connect to your phone, and you're good to go. This has been Des for T-Mobile. Thanks so much for watching our 360 VR unboxing of the new Meta Quest 2, now available at T-Mobile. There it goes, powered on. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for another great video coming up next. Ah, this is so cool. Look at that. Nice.